Hey everyone, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 10. Hideko has 3/5 yard of ribbon to tie on balloons for the festival. Each balloon will need 3/10 of a yard of ribbon. How many balloons can Hideko tie with ribbon? So first of all, let's represent the ribbon, how much we have on this number line. And since we're going to be looking at 3/10, let's rethink this as something tenths. 5 times 2 would equal 10, so we have to do 3 times 2, and that's 6. So this value right here is equal to 6/10, and I'm just going to shade that in on the number line. 6/10. Let me use the line tool here. I'll shade that in. 6/10, and how about we make that maybe a different color? Maybe we should make that red. All right, there's our 6/10. All right, now it says each balloon will need 3/10 of a yard. So let's circle a group of 3/10, because here's a group right here, right? That's a group of 3/10. And don't I have it, if this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, don't I have another group of 3/10? So how many groups do I have? Well, how many green circles do I have, or ovals? Don't I have 2? Now we need to put something on the piece of paper. We need to show an algorithm. What's the dividend? What's the thing that we're breaking up into equal groups? Well, it was 3/5. So let's write that down. By the way, there would be nothing wrong with writing it down as 6/10 because the two things are equal. But let's stick with the more user-friendly version of it, which is 3/5. We're dividing that into equal groups of 3/10. When we do the algorithm, remember this is keep, change, flip. Keep the 3/5, change the division to multiplication, change the divisor to its reciprocal, which means you're just flipping this around. The 10 goes on the top now and the 3 goes on the bottom. Look for cross-reducing opportunities. We can divide here and here. 3 is a common factor of this numerator and this denominator, so we'll divide by 3 and here we get 1. Divide this by 3, we get 1. Going the other way, we have a common factor of 5 for both of these numbers or values. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So if we go across, we get 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 divided by 1 is 2. So go ahead and bubble in choice 2.